Hey guys, welcome back to BostonSpace Vlogs. I'm out here today. It's pretty nice. I'm on the 7th floor of my work building. They have a nice little patio out here that you can come out and work. I figured I'd get some vlogging in. Like I said, it's fairly nice out. It still requires maybe a jacket, probably in the 50s or 60s, but I can live with it. I'm glad the winter's over now. So I figured we'd get right into a vlog. It's been a couple weeks, so I figured that it's time and I get to get one in. So the first thing I want to talk about is this mission called Psyche, and I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's a mission that NASA has planned to go to an asteroid that's made mostly of metal. This asteroid lives between Mars and Jupiter, and it wants to go there, analyze this asteroid, and by analyzing this asteroid we can kind of figure out what an early planet might look like, how planets form, how the Earth and other planets may have forms, and to really learn more about our solar system, and again just to kind of get a look at this new body of, this new celestial body that we've never seen before, and get some really awesome information, science data, and all that good stuff. It was originally going to launch in 2023, so NASA kind of put themselves to the test to see if they could get this launched sooner. They figured out that if they launched in 2022 instead of 2023, that they could actually get there 4 years earlier just by orbit times and the location of Earth and the trajectories that they would use to get there. So that's really cool that that's going to get there early. We'll be able to watch that as that progresses. It's really exciting, and I'm really excited to keep you guys up to date on what's happening with the Psyche mission now that it's going to happen a lot sooner. So we'll hear more about that soon, and that should be good. If everything goes according to plan and that launches on time, it should arrive by 2026, which isn't too far away. One thing I really want to do this summer is ride this thing. Apparently it brings you out to the harbor and just whips you around super high speeds. And I mean, I'm sure they're not crazy high speeds, but fast enough to get you splashed. It sounds like a blast. One thing I find extremely exciting in the space industry is when there's a new rocket launching. One rocket that has never launched before, a new rocket, it's gone through its design phase, and it's time for it to launch for its first time. That to me is super exciting. And that's actually happening right now. There's a company called Rocket Labs. They're going to launch their first rocket, hopefully this week. They have something crazy like a 10-day launch window, and it's already, I think, day 3, 2 or 3 in that window. So far they haven't had luck with the weather, so they're going to keep trying. It looks like a really cool rocket. It's much smaller than the Falcon 9 or Atlas V, something like that. It's much smaller. It's mostly all black. It looks really cool, and I don't think they're going to have a live stream of the first launch because the window is so long, but hopefully they'll post some really cool videos after the fact. More launch providers mean more launches, and more launches means more entertainment for me, so I'm really excited about it. Okay, so June 1st, there's going to be another SpaceX launch. It's going to be a resupply mission for the ISS. It's called CRS-11. It's going to launch at 5:55 p.m. on June 1st. There is a landing attempt. They're going to try to land at LZ-1, which is the landing zone back at the Cape. And they're going to be bringing supplies, food, science up to the International Space Station. Should be really cool to watch. Check it out. Those streams are always exciting. Links in the description. So I went indoor skydiving again this weekend. This is the second time I've done it. Both times so far have been kind of the generic first time experience where they kind of just take you in the tunnel and they kind of just control you, and it just kind of gives you an idea of what it's like. I'm sure this is a surprise to nobody, but the feeling of flying is super addictive. So I've decided that I actually kind of want to get into this as a hobby. So I purchased more time to go back, but I actually want to learn this time. I want to learn how to control myself in the tunnel and get good at it. I can't go too often because it's super expensive, but going every now and then will be fun, so I'm going to check it out. So here's a quick video of my most recent experience, followed by some time that my instructor spent in the tunnel. Super impressive, so exciting. I'll post videos next time when I try to do some learning as well. Gotta figure out what's going on with this autofocus. It keeps going in and out. It's really distracting. So I'll figure that out. I'm gonna trim this up a little bit too. Got some stuff to do. So for now, I'm out of here. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. My goal is just to put some stuff out there, get people excited about space, get people aware of events that they might not be aware of that's happening in the space industry. And I'm just here enjoying doing this, even if only a few of you are watching anyway. Totally fine with me, but if you liked it, please subscribe so you can see the next ones. Thank you.